Who in today's world might need their own website? Well, practically everyone, especially realtors. And you can see this for yourself. Have a seat. Today, we'll tell you how to start creating your own website and what difficulties you can expect. We're Jelvix, software development partner for industry leaders. You're on our channel. Weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Also, use that super thanks feature to support our channel. We'll appreciate it and deliver more great content. First, you may be asking, why do I need a website? According to a study conducted by the National Association of Realtors in 2021, we know that almost 97% of all real estate buyers looked for options online. We know it takes time to figure it all out, but let's go over it again. In today's world, the real estate business is long gone from newspaper and magazine listings. Now, being online is a necessity. Otherwise, you're just not in the race. And besides, the website has many other advantages. First, it shows your audience your professionalism. A nice website design and user-friendly interface will help to make a good first impression on potential customers and attract their attention. Secondly, the website automates your work. Customers will always see what property you can offer them and even get acquainted with it virtually without disturbing you. It's like a personal sales consultant working 24 hours a day. Finally, there's lead generation. A real estate website with a good SEO adjustment will help you get into the top search engines and find more clients without spending too much on advertising. Now, isn't that a dream? I'm sure we've answered your first question, so let's move on to the second. How can I make my own website? You potentially have two options. You either do it yourself or seek help from professionals. In the first case, the many no-code or low-code development platforms can help you, or website builders, as they're popularly called. The most famous options we would name are WordPress or Wix. This option is suitable for people who don't want to spend money to create a website or really want to try their hand at it. But as practice shows, to get a decent result goes only for units. If you want 100% guarantee, it's better to hire a team of developers. Then you'll get a beautiful, functional website that'll help you implement all the benefits mentioned at the beginning of the video. We at Jelvix have experience with real estate websites, and we can say that the results are awe-inspiring. Of course, it's more expensive than using constructors, but as they say, the game is worth the candle. Let's make a quick pause right here. Check if you're subscribed to our channel, and if not, you know what to do. Okay, regardless of which development option you choose, you'll have to go through 5 startup stages. Let's get acquainted with them all. Phase 1 is the discovery phase. This is where you lay the foundation. You identify what you want your website to do. In the case of real estate, you want to show your properties, include a search function, and maybe even add an interactive map. This stage sets the direction for your website journey. Then it comes to the design phase. You've laid the foundation. Now it's time to create the blueprint. This is where you decide on the look and feel of your website. What should it look like? What vibe should it give off? Everything from color schemes to the layout is decided in this phase. Up next is the development phase. This is where your vision turns into reality. If you've chosen a professional team like us at Jelvix, this is when we get down to business. We code your dream into existence. This phase takes the most time, but as the saying goes, good things take time. After development comes the testing phase. This is the dress rehearsal before the grand premiere. This phase is all about making sure everything works as it should. We run multiple tests to ensure your website is bug-free and runs like a well-oiled machine. Last but not least is the deployment phase. This is the grand reveal. Your website is now live and ready to take on the world. Of course, we shouldn't forget that any product may need revision, support, or the introduction of new features. Therefore, if you prefer independent development, be prepared to continue the work after the site's release. So, building a real estate website is a journey, and it's one worth taking. We also recommend watching our video about creating your own social media app. You'll definitely be interested. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.